Okay, so let's say we want to add another item to this mood board that we do not yet have in DesignerLogic. And let's check our folder for this project, and we don't have it in here. For example, let's add a coffee table. We don't have a coffee table available yet for this project, but we have been looking on the web and we happen to find this coffee table we want to add. So we want to add this to the project first and then to the mood board. So what we do in this case, since this is on the internet, we use DesignerLogic's web clipper by clicking on the link for the web clipper to open, and we choose the project that we want to add it to, which is this project, and the area, which is in this case the living room. And then down here we want to add some other details for this item. It's furniture, and we're going to minimize this so that we can just copy and paste very quickly. So we highlight what we want to add to the clipper and then just right click on it, go down to DesignerLogic Clipper and choose where to add it. And we'll add this to the notes. And we'll add the dimensions right here. And if we open this back up, you can see it added all this information. We want to choose the supplier, in this case Restoration Hardware, and let's say we have a 30% markup. And up here you can see that we do not have the image saved yet, so we right click on that image, go to DesignerLogic Clipper, choose Product Image, and it will copy the image over. Now one more thing we want to add is all of the spec information, and in this case we want to highlight it and then just do a straight copy paste so we can preserve the formatting. And we go down here to specifications and we paste it in. So we have all our information about this coffee table in the web clipper. We click add to DesignerLogic, and that is going to save it to this project. We close the clipper. Now if we go back to DesignerLogic to this mood board page for this mood board and we click add existing items, you can see that down here the coffee table has been added as an available item to put on this mood board. So we're going to select it, click add to mood board, click update, and when we go back to items on the mood board, you can see the coffee table is now there. And if we refresh the page, we now have 4 items worth over $32,000 on this mood board. Now, just like the other items, we want to add this image to our folder so we can put it on the mood board. So we just come down here, we right click on download image, and what we want to do is click save link as, and we'll call this a coffee table, click save. And this is now in our folder. You can see it right here, and we want to crop this image just like we did before, just to get rid of that extra border. So we crop the coffee table, and we're going to just move it out of the way. And then we open our mood board back up in Keynote again. We just drag the coffee table onto the mood board, and we can shrink it and place it and do a lot of things with it like that.